spend time, breathe with the song, move with the song, subtly. It's kind of like when you're a kid and or at least this is one thing that we used to do, and you're trying to time when to jump into somebody's, the rhythm to jump into jump rope. You gotta time. At 12, it repeats. 12, and then they call this the nut, the headstock, the tuning keys. This is the headstock. This is the nut that separates the headstock from the neck of the guitar. This is 0. 12 is also 0. So there's 12 notes. There's the open note, then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When you count the 0 as a note, it changes it. So there's kind of there's only 12 notes, but there's a continuum of them, and then there's the repetition of them. And that's one thing that makes the guitar look so confusing, because oftentimes people are playing multiple strings and they're plucking multiple strings, which is amazing, of course. But don't allow the awesome capabilities that the human hand and the human mind have can coordinate, can synchronize, such that it creates that unique combination of frequencies. But the power of the guitar is there for everyone. There are hundreds of millions of these built all over the world every year. They're almost as powerful as youth drums. Next thing you know, you'll be using 2 fingers. You'll be plucking with 2 fingers. I mean, this is how I wrote on this one. think that I've done my part, and I think that shows. And there's handicap in me. Cause it sends the wrong impression about what I believe. Notice how I'm hitting this string open, and when I'm hitting it open, that's when my hand is opening. You're releasing, you're letting off. That's how you can do it for a long time. That's how you can do it without cramping your hands and cramping your musculature. Okay, thanks for watching. Well, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to do. Well, there's a lot that I could do. You haven't watched me garden. You haven't watched me build. You haven't watched me practice. You haven't watched me cook. You haven't watched me make candles. But thanks for watching this.